What makes Mercury special? It's all about like defying expectations, doing things in extraordinary ways.
So the weekend has been great. The opportunity to have fun with the coworkers is very nice.
At Mercury, we look at people for who they are and not the bullet points on their resume.
Talked to a lot of people, at this event, and kind of like a repeated theme I've heard is that, they have great relationships with the people they're working with, and they come away energized from something like this because they like working with them.
Never been to an event like this before. Never been to a white attire event either. It's been super cool. This is my little brother. He's my +1. He's trying to become a coder too, so it's cool to meet a bunch of other coders.
One day I'll bring my own +1.
It has been such a fabulous weekend. We've had so much fun. I've loved being able to meet all of my coworkers in person and bring my sweet +1 along with me. And it's just been a great weekend. So thank you, Mercury.
I think this weekend is really summarizes what makes Mercury great, which is little special things, defy expectations.
Unbelievable time this weekend. Go New York City. It's good to feel loyalty to New York City competing in the Mercury Summer Olympics. Thank you to our ops team and the team that put this on. So much fun.
I just love all the people here. Everyone's been super helpful, super friendly, and this is the first time I've been at such company with such an amazing culture.
Even if, things aren't always fun, it is really rewarding to have started a place where people kind of like being together with each other. So yeah, here's to you all. Thanks for being lovely people.